Hi everyone. So, can you generate your code having the internet off? Well, I can. Introducing Pocket Coder, your local AI coding assistant designed to run flawlessly on your CPUs and GPUs, especially in a Jupyter notebook environment. Well, let me walk you through the demo first. So, in your Jupyter notebook, you just need to type load extension Jupyter magic and then just type this magic command %% code and whatever your prompt is, just hit enter and it generated the code in a blink of an eye. We can also write any sort of prompt. It does not need to be a professional written prompt. I can write like I want to filter my data frame df having salary more than 10K, and I'll just hit enter and it did the work. So this is what Pocket Coder is. Now let me uh, walk you through like what is happening exactly in the pipeline. So I took a model, the Liquid AI's LFM 2.5 1.2 billion instruct, and then I fine-tuned it on two datasets, especially for coding, made it the 16K sequence length and all. So here you can see the training part and the fine tuning stuff, and then I just created its gguf file, exported it out, and using olama I'm just loading it and passing in the user prompt, and it will generate the text and works flawlessly. You can also try any other stuff as well. For example, like percent code, uh, give me code to find shortest path using Dijkstra algorithm. So algorithm. And meanwhile, you can see the GPU usage. So, and it's gen, and it is solely using my GPU. There is no Wi-Fi being used, no internet, no hotspot, nothing. And you might think it only works on GPUs and all, it's a very huge model and all. No, this is, well, this is the specialty of liquid foundation models by Liquid AI, that they works flawlessly on your local CPUs and all as well. So even if you have a CPU, your device is having a CPU, not a GPU, you can run the model as well. You just need to, you can simply clone my repo, and uh, the only requirement is your Jupyter notebook should be in the same folder, or your Jupyter magic.py file should be in the same folder where your Jupyter notebook resides. And that's it. And the other thing is, of course, you need to have the Olama software installed, and you can just pull the model from my repository param302/pocketcoder, and it will uh, run flawlessly, and you can code very fast, even having the internet off. So that is it. And to know more about what I did in the whole fine tuning and how I created the command and all, you can visit my repository, param302/pocketcoder. All the links are in the description. I hope you all liked it, and thank you.